Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a WordPress theme with Elementor. First, ensure you have WordPress installed and Elementor Pro activated on your hosting environment. A great starting point is to use a lightweight, flexible theme such as Hello Elementor, which provides a blank canvas for your designs. Once set up, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and locate the Elementor theme builder. This powerful tool will be our central hub for crafting every part of your custom theme. Next, let's tackle the essential header and footer. Within the theme builder, you can design a custom header that includes your brand's logo and a responsive navigation menu. Similarly, craft a unique footer to display copyright details, contact information, and social media links. Remember to set the display conditions for both elements, ensuring they appear consistently across your entire website or on specific pages as needed. This gives your site a professional and cohesive look. Now, we'll focus on building dynamic page templates. Design a single post template to control the layout of individual blog posts and a single page template for static content. Elementor's widgets allow you to easily insert dynamic content like post titles, featured images, and author information. Don't forget to create an archive template to beautifully display your blog posts, categories, and tags, ensuring a consistent look for all your listings. Finally, let's refine your theme with global styles and prepare for publishing. Define your global colors and typography within Elementor's site settings to maintain consistent branding across all pages. Thoroughly review all your created templates and elements to ensure they are fully responsive on various devices, from desktops to mobile phones. Once satisfied, publish your custom Elementor theme and proudly showcase your unique WordPress website to the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.